Managing the refrigerants in the gauge set can be done in two ways. First of all, I'm going to show you our quick select menu, which if you touch the center, which is the current refrigerant, you're going to get a quick select up there. Now your quick select may or may not have refrigerants in it, and I'll show you how we're going to add those. You can see right now that we only have 3 refrigerants in the quick select. So if we want to add more, what we would do is we hit the edit button, and we hit the edit button, that's going to open up our entire list of refrigerants. Those can be scrolled up and down, and you can see in the refrigerants menu, the ones that are quick selected are black, and the ones that are white are obviously not selected. You have 2 choices in this menu. You can either just select more refrigerants, add your quick select menu, and the order that you select them in will be the order that they display, or you can make a refrigerant active. So if you don't want to use that refrigerant by putting in your quick select, maybe you're only going to use it one time, then you would just hit make active, and it'll make that current refrigerant active, which in this case is 236EA. If you tap the R236EA, now you'll see the R123 and the 134A were added to your quick select menu. Now the next piece that I want you to notice is the gauge scale. So I'm going to just tap this to make this go away here, and you can see my gauge scales are from 0 to 120 and from 0 to 500. The scale of the gauge is definitely dependent upon one thing, and that is the pressure range of the refrigerant. Our 410A is a high pressure refrigerant, so if we select 410A, it goes from 0 to 250 and 0 to 600. Our 134A is a low pressure refrigerant, and it'll go from 0 to 80 and 0 to 300. And if we go back to 404A, which is a medium pressure refrigerant, it goes from 0 to 250 and 0 to 600. So not only are we controlling the refrigerant, but we're also controlling the scales of the gauges, and it really makes it much more intuitive when you're watching the analog display, so that it operates exactly the way that you would expect it to for the type of refrigerant that you've selected.